This is Vegas Pro version 16. Let's see how to crop down a video. Crop down, or with another word, how to lose the edges of the video and keep only, let's say, somewhere in the center, that portion. Okay, so to crop it down, we have three buttons here in the corner of the clip. I use the left one, which is Event Pan Crop. Click on Event Pan Crop, and on this window, make sure you're not on mask but on position. Okay, and click on the first keyframe of that position layer. Okay, and then make sure lock aspect ratio is checked, like so. Okay, and since aspect ratio is locked, you can move the sides, as you can see here, and make it smaller. Okay, and here we can enter the resolution that we want. Let's say 1280 by 720. Okay, it was automatically completed because the aspect ratio is locked. Okay, so let's close this window and let's introduce that smaller resolution here also, so that the video will not remain large but smaller, crop down. Okay, so go here to this wheel, project video properties. Okay, and introduce here the same resolution as was mentioned here in the event pan crop, which is 1280 by 720, and okay. Now let's render this video. Let's go here to the render as button. Okay, select the codec, let's say that one. Use a preset, let's say internet, whichever you want, and customize it. Okay, customize template, and make sure the resolution is the same as it is here, in this case 1280 by 720. So 1280 by 720. Okay, and the frame rate has to be the same, 59 and 59, and okay. Now give a path where to save that file, give a file name, and click on render. Okay, so we are losing the sides of the video and keeping the center portion, and thus the video maintains its aspect ratio. It's not wider, it's not taller, but we are losing the sides, so we just cropped down the video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.